GIF stands for Graphics Interchange Format. It is a digital file format that was invented to compress images and create animations. GIFs are widely used on the internet and social media platforms, making them one of the most recognizable image formats you'll encounter online. The GIF format was invented in 1987 by Steve Wilhite at CompuServe. In 1989, the GIF 89 version was released, which added animation support. This was a major breakthrough. In 1995, Netscape Navigator 2.0 added looping support, which allowed animations to repeat endlessly. Finally, in 2004, the LZW compression patents expired, making GIF freely usable for everyone. GIFs use 8-bit color depth, which means each pixel uses 1 byte of data. This limits the maximum colors in a GIF to 256 colors per frame or image. The color model is RGB, which stands for red, green, and blue. The compression used is called LZW, which is a lossless algorithm. Lossless means the image quality is not reduced when the file is compressed. GIFs are used for many purposes. They are commonly used for animations and short looping sequences. Reaction GIFs and memes are popular on social media. GIFs work well for logos and sharp-edged graphics. People use GIFs in messaging apps to express emotions. Web designers use them for animated elements on websites. GIFs are also great for education to visualize concepts and make learning more engaging. A GIF file has a specific structure. It starts with a header that says either GIF 87 or GIF 89, which tells you the version. This is 6 bytes long. Next is the logical screen descriptor, which contains the image dimensions and other properties. This is 7 bytes long. Then comes the global color table if needed. Image blocks contain the actual frames. Extension blocks control animation and transparency. Finally, the file ends with a trailer, which is a single end marker byte. GIFs use the LZW algorithm for compression, which stands for Lempel-Ziv-Welch. It is a lossless compression method, meaning no image quality is lost during compression. LZW is especially efficient for images with solid colors because it recognizes patterns and stores them more efficiently. The code length can vary from 3 to 12 bits per symbol. The LZW patent expired in 2004, making it freely usable today. There are several ways to reduce GIF file size. You can reduce the number of colors in the palette instead of using all 256 colors, which saves 10 to 20% of the file size. Lowering the frame rate from 30 to 12 frames per second saves 30 to 60%. Lossy compression trades quality for smaller size and saves 20 to 50%. Removing duplicate or redundant frames saves 15 to 40% of the file size. There is a clear relationship between frame rate and file size. At 4 frames per second, a 10-second animation has 40 frames and an estimated size of 50 kilobytes. At 12 frames per second, that same 10-second animation has 120 frames with 143 kilobytes. At 24 frames per second, you get 240 frames and 283 kilobytes. At 30 frames per second, 300 frames result in 353 kilobytes. Higher frame rates mean smoother animations, but larger file sizes. GIFs have several advantages. They support both animation and transparency. Lossless compression preserves image quality. They have wide browser and platform support. GIFs are excellent for sharp graphics and logos, and they create small file sizes for simple images. However, GIFs also have limitations. They are limited to 256 colors per frame. They create large file sizes for photographs. Quality is poor with gradients. GIFs do not support audio or metadata, and they are not ideal for high-quality video. Let's compare GIF to other popular formats. GIF supports a maximum of 256 colors and can do animations. It is best for logos and graphics. PNG supports 16 million colors, but only animation through APNG. PNG is best for graphics and high-quality images. JPEG also supports 16 million colors, but does not support animation. JPEG is best for photographs and photographic images. Each format has its own purpose and advantages.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.